Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Apple ID and which device or phone can receive codes. Open Settings on a trusted iPhone or System Preferences on a Mac and check the Apple ID line. If you can unlock a trusted device, you can request a verification code quickly. Once you have access to that device, make sure Do Not Disturb won't block messages and be ready to enter the code into the reset flow to prove it's you. You can reset directly from a signed-in device. Tap Change Password and follow prompts. You'll enter the device passcode, then type a new password. If you're not signed in anywhere, go to iForget. Apple. Calm and enter the Apple ID. Follow the recovery prompts. You may receive a two-factor code or wait for account recovery. Make sure your new password meets Apple rules and don't reuse old passwords so you avoid repeat lockouts later. Once the password changes, immediately sign in on all devices and services so iCloud syncs correctly. Update Keychain and any password managers. This prevents repeated prompts and app failures. Make sure apps that use the Apple ID re-authenticate, like Mail and FaceTime. If a device still shows verification errors, sign out and back in. If you cannot reset because you lack trusted access, start account recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.